I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life.
Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. And Ava, she's all ready. We are gonna go to the mall because I have to take back
and get toys.
And well, you're gonna play with the toys. I'm gonna go ahead and take her to the mall so that she can actually play with the toys inside the mall because it's just too hot to take her to the park today. And then I also have to take back this dress that I bought for Shanam's cousin's engagement party in Washington. So we'll probably be in Washington when you...
I'm going to Washington too.
Yes, you are. But yeah, I need to take this back because she said to wear bright, don't wear any black dresses or any black anything. Yeah, anyway, I wanted to let you guys know actually what I've been taking for anxiety and sleep lately. Some of you guys might know, but I struggle with really bad anxiety and panic attacks, and it's been like that for a while now. And it's just getting worse, I feel like, as I get older. So now I'm like kind of like panicking about things that I've never panicked about before, like flying on an airplane or just being worried about my kids. Like things were just a little more extreme than before they are right now. So I think that it's because of stress and just doing a lot and needing to relax. So I've actually teamed up with this company called Physician's Choice, and they sent me a bottle of their ashwagandha extra strength organic pills. These are all veggie, so they're super natural, complete veggie. Ashwagandha is actually a root, so it's super natural, plant-based, and these pills have been a saving grace. They help with anxiety, they help with stress, they relax you, they help me fall asleep at night. I've actually been falling asleep just a little bit better when I take these before bed. When they first sent these to me and I took it in the morning because I was stressed out in the morning, it made me sleepy. So I figured I need to start taking these at night and see kind of what the effects are at night. And I started taking them at night and they really helped me fall asleep faster, relax my mind, clear my mind, and I really like them a lot. So I will have their information down below in the description box so you guys can check them out. If you struggle with anxiety or stress or anything like that, and you really don't want to take any like hardcore medicines that your doctor would prescribe to you, which I used to be on everything for anxiety, and then I got off of it like a year ago because I didn't want to be on those kind of hard pills. When you're on pills for so long, it can really kind of give you like some side effects and, you know, symptoms that you don't want. And so I was trying to just like you know, just clear my mind and do meditation and work out and do it all the natural way, but sometimes that isn't enough. I obviously did a lot of research before committing to this sponsorship, you guys, because I am the person that needs to know what goes in my body. We're gonna go ahead. I am going to the mall completely just relaxed. I don't even have a bra on. I have a sports bra on, and I'm bringing my bra in my purse so I can try on other dresses. It's early, so I don't even care, and yeah, that's just what we're gonna do, right? Bye. Yeah, so we will see you guys soon. Huh.
Bye.
See you. All right, so I don't think this is really engagement party attire. Okay, so I really like this one, but I don't know if it's like engagement party attire. I don't know. This one I feel kind of naked in, so I don't think I would feel comfortable wearing it in front of everyone, family and friends. Okay, I really like this one. This is super cute and a little more conservative for me.
Mom, you can want
They have this right here that kind of, I'd have to get something else, but there in the back, little poof, little vintage. So this one kind of looks like a carpet, but I kind of like it. Okay, this one's probably the most comfortable. It just kind of falls straight down. Simple, classy. Hello again. So I am home. And Ava is napping. She fell asleep on the way home. So I'm gonna show you guys which dress it was, just so you know. No, Remy. So I ended up getting this one right here. And I really like this one because this part by the armpit here, it doesn't hug your armpit like a bra or a tank top would, and right here's like my trouble zone, so if I have something too tight, it's like psh, an extra boob's coming out. So it's really nice fitting, like I really like it. I've never had a dress like it, so I'm super excited. And then the shoes that I got for it were these little things that were on sale. So they're like a nude, so they're super cute and they're simple. And they're not too high because I don't want too high of a hill, and you just fit your foot in and go, and I feel like it's gonna be really pretty. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning so I can get as much done as possible while Ava's sleeping. I need to do so much around here. It is so dusty and dirty and messy and all of that stuff, so let's get So actually, I don't know if I've showed you guys my new Bible, but I got this new Everyday Matters Bible for women a couple of weeks ago. I'm really excited. It's so beautiful. I kind of showed it on my Insta stories. I did like watch some YouTube videos, like reviews on it before I bought it, and I really, really like it. I'll show you guys inside a little bit. Let me see. So they have like these extra messages on like every chapter, and like right here. Yeah, I really like it, so I wanted to show you guys. so I am done cleaning for today because I'm super tired. So I'm gonna actually start cooking dinner. We're gonna have some steak and some stir-fry veggies, all of that good stuff. Isaiah's home from school, right there. He had a pretty good day. We're watching The Office. We watch a lot of Office. Do you want to say hi to the vlog? You want to say hi, Ava? Yeah. Hi.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling.
Mom is tired and hubby came to help. And you're helping too, Ava. So there's Ava's food. We just cut up her little pieces and put it, ooh, it's blurry, throughout here, veggies. And then my plate, Isaiah's, except for Isaiah needs some steak. All right, you guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm sorry that I've kind of been tired today. It was a late night last night, and I'm just tired. But I got a lot of things done with Ava. Yeah. I'm gonna wash my face, shower, do all that stuff, give her a bath.
I'm going to bath later and I go to school.
Yeah. And then tomorrow Ava has school, so it's gonna be a early night.
And I take a bath one day.
Yeah, you're gonna take a bath 2 days.
Yeah, 1 day and 2 days.
Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog anyway and just kind of coming along with me on my day today. And don't forget to check out the ashwagandha pills. They are amazing. I'm actually gonna take them right now just to kind of wind down and relax and get ready for bed. All natural, it's vegetable pills, so no worries there. And I will have their information down in the description box down below. I will see you guys in my next video. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, please give me a thumbs up. And also comment down below and say hi so I know you were here. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.